Host your next event at the Irish Institute of Music and Song in Balbriggan, Dublin. Only 15 minutes from Dublin Airport, 30 minutes from Dublin City, and 5 minutes from Balbriggan's sandy beaches and train station. We are the ideal location to hold your next event. The Irish Institute of Music and Song is Ireland's only purpose-built campus containing meeting spaces, cafe, restaurants and accommodation all on site together. Our spaces cater to small and large groups using the latest audio and video equipment for conferences, business retreats, team building and much more. With over 100 groups already hosted this year, our team knows what it takes to make your event a success. In spring-summer 2023, our new state-of-the-art concert hall, The Lark, will also be available for hire. This venue can facilitate up to 400 people in our auditorium for private events. At the end of your day on campus, retire to the Lala Cafe and Restaurant and unwind with a delicious cocktail or local craft beer. The Lala is open every day, serving delicious breakfast, lunch and dinner, and is available for private receptions, group dinners and parties. Finally, spend the night at Bedford House, our idyllic Georgian-style guest house. Enjoy the beautiful decor and large comfy beds. The ambience will be sure to impress you. With rooms, suites and shared pods available, Bedford House can cater to groups of various sizes. To book your conference or event today, call Breda at 699-4990 or email breda@iims.ie. Group rates available. Be sure to book in advance.